In this video, I'll show you how to link your content and your links faster. Now, the only way to do this faster is using a tool called Arval. Now, you simply go to the dashboard, click on Add SEO Articles, and here input a keyword, and you will get into the input section. Here, click on Input, go to the internal linking, and here add your sitemap for automatic internal linking. If you want external linking automatic, just turn this on, or also you can include whatever you want. So you're just gonna leave it blank. I want it to scrub the internet for relevant articles in my niche language. And also I can exclude certain sources. And also what you can do is go to the content and here change your tone of voice to funny and engaging. Choose your target country, choose your language, choose the point of view, choose the formality to be automatic. Click on show advanced options. You can use all this. But yeah, this is how you do it faster. With that said, the link will be in the description. Check that out. Like this video and subscribe, comment below.